and show you guys what that actually looks like. Okay. So thread tool, search the thread. Here we go. So right here, looking for someone to play on high grounds. Again, you can post right here. You'll see the person's status, you know, their level, their ranking, so you'll know exactly what type of match you're going to be getting yourself involved with. Again, if the person has a lot of experience, typically that means they're a pretty good player. And again, that's all based on pretty much the matches. So if you play 1,000 matches, you know, you're gonna have a better ranking than somebody that comes in and plays, you know, one match, you know, every month or something like that. So again, it really pays to use the site, and that's really what we're trying to do, is get those eyeballs back to the website to update their status, connect with their friends, share photos, connect for their video games, and through matchmaking system, boost their reputation and their experience, and encourage more people to play against them. And again, the higher experience you have, the better prizes as well we'll be offering. So very cool. Very cool stuff here. Let me go over, let's go back to the home page. Okay, and we're just loading it up right now. And I'll show you how the news is set up. So let's click on the news feature. So we're coming to the website, we click on the news feature. Let's see how the news is featured. Okay, so here, all the news items you can comment on. So again, it's all about interactivity. Here's the news story, the source, blog entries, you can blog on it, and you can post comments. So if you want to discuss this news story, you can do that right from the website. Let's go back to the home page. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the news. Let's see how news is fed into the website. It has the date and time that it was posted, and you'll see the time in the post itself. The date is right on the front page. So here we go, very familiar interface. Again, you'll see the news on here, supports pictures, images, whatever you want to embed, you can do that. We give you the flexibility to be able to do that. Again, this is just, you know, very standard how it would look. As I was saying, the site is very, very, very secure. It's on a very robust back end. We have complete forum moderation. Again, you might ask, what if somebody comes on the site and tries to spam or attack the website? Again, not only are on very robust servers that automatically are actually, they're managed dedicated servers, so the site should not go down. It's in its own dedicated, dedicated server data center. We also have backups we do of the site every single day, every single week, every single month. We also have remote FTP. So basically everything, even if the server center does go down, which it won't because it's on a backup system, everything will be backed up remotely to another data center in a different location. So again, you know, we're not joking around here with this website. We're going to assume we're going to be getting a lot of traffic to this website. So the worst thing that can happen to any social networking website is that it goes down. So again, we've already taken that into consideration. I made sure that we were on some of the best servers out there. We're actually working with a company called Liquid Web, just to give you guys an idea. So you could definitely take a look at them. Very, very good server hosting company. I've used them personally before. And again, we're hosted on that, that server. So just going back here at matchmaking, again, we've gone through that. Community, again, we've gone through this pretty much. I'll click on it just to give you guys an idea, just to show you that it does indeed work. But again, the site is really about user interactivity. Once we get people onto the website, connecting, sharing photos and pictures, every Hip Hop Soda Shop event will be posted on here, video. Again, there's a lot of stuff that we'll be doing on this website. RSS feeds. Let's take a look finally at this point. Down here, here's all the different news. So let's take a look at Xbox 360 news, which actually, let's see if that loads. So here's the latest Xbox 360 news. Let's go ahead and click on one of the RSS feeds itself, though. Let's take a look at let's do Pro Hip Hop. It will actually, I think it will actually load another page. You know, it's not going to go to another page right now just because I'm in full screen mode. But what it'll do is it'll pop open another web page. And it's pretty cool. Again, clicking on the links over here, again, everything, the site is pretty much optimized for search engine, SEO, search engine optimization, search engine marketing it supports. As I said, very robust PHP ads, Google AdSense, we support it all. We can integrate every single page. We'll have an advertisement on it, but again, it's not in your face. It's not, you know, going to obstruct your view of any content, and it's not going to dampen the user experience. It's off to the side if you're interested. So again, very cool website. This is just more or less the generic overview. This website, hiphopsodaShop.com, H3 Game Line. What we're going to be launching as soon as this site comes out is the Hip Hop Soda Shop Network. All the websites are going to be integrated together. We want to connect everybody. So again, if you're registered on hiphopsodashop.com, H3 Game Line, your account will be activated automatically through Soda Shop Gamers. So again, we want everybody to have a seamless experience. Up here in the top, what we'll be adding will be up in the top. We'll be adding the links to the other websites. So again, you'll be able to connect to the entire Hip Hop Soda Shop network. Soda Shop Gamers, again, this will be the home of Soda Shop Gamers as well, so news, content, everything. So again, guys, that is a quick overview of the website. I hope you guys, you know, enjoyed the quick little overview. Plans to roll it out. We're going to be testing it. We're showing it off to people here on site. What we're going to do over the next couple of days, again, test it over here. Over the next couple weeks, we'll be rolling it out. As far as an exact date when we're going to launch, we haven't announced that yet. We're going to try to announce it by the end of this week. Again, we just want to get as many celebrities and people registered, give them an early, you know, access to the website, let them go ahead and start to post. Again, a lot of the shareholders as well, I want to go ahead and give you guys early access. So what we'll do is we'll probably set up a little early thread for you guys to post on the hiphopsodashop.com forums. So what we'll do is we'll probably create that right after the end of this event and give the shareholders the ability to test out the website before everybody else, register an account, get situated, create your blog, stuff like that. And again, that's just a little perk that I wanted to introduce to say thanks to the shareholders. And again, that is something I want to do just in general, is offer the shareholders a little bit of a bonus throughout Hip Hop Soda Shop. And just in general, you know, there's been people that have submitted comments wanting special perks when they come to the store. And again, I'm all in favor of stuff like that. But specifically, you know, with the web properties, which I really have a lot of control over, I can introduce stuff like that, little bonuses. We'll be introducing shopping cart system to the website for merchandise. Again, that's something that is in the works. We wanted to wait till we had Soda Shop Gamers up first because it is a new brand, more or less, we're building under the Hip Hop Soda Shop. Again, guys, am I on the website right now? Can you guys take a shot just quickly of the website? I just want to show everybody one little thing that I don't know if... let me know, guys, when you guys are on the site. Okay. If you can see right here, upper left corner, the logo we decided to use. If you notice, let's see, that's that right there. That's a controller, an Xbox controller in a hand. What we've done right here for Soda Shop Gamers, we have our Hip Hop Soda Shop logo, same brand and image, but the guy has a controller in his hand. That's actually a wire, and that's an Xbox controller. So we basically zoomed into that, and this has kind of become the logo. So again, going back to what I was talking about, the apparel, the line of merchandise that we're going to be creating and sell, we really wanted to, you know, pretty much launch Soda Shop Gamers so we could start to brand it. We want to basically envision gamers and hip-hop enthusiasts wearing Hip Hop Soda Shop apparel. So that's kind of where with that, again, as I said, the forum I'll set up so you guys can, you know, submit your information so I can go ahead and give shareholders early access. Again, it won't happen until next week when I return back to New York, where I'm based. But again, you guys have any comments, questions, suggestions, you know, things we can add to the site. Again, this is a beta version. We want to take in all the feedback we, you know, hear from people on site here, celebrities, see what they're after, what they think of the website. Again, shareholders as well, take into consideration everybody's feedback, and you know, pretty much from there, make the adjustments to the website and go full live with it. Again, give you guys some sort of timetable. I want to bring this live in February, middle of February, early February, something like that is what we're looking at right now. Again, it's all going to be based on feedback. If we feel that we get a suggestion in that we really like, then, you know, we'll try to integrate it before we launch it. Again, we don't want to wait too much longer. Again, this site's been in development for a very long time. We've had actually a few internal versions. We've actually built this website in a completely different backend. And we decided to go with something a little bit more, well, actually a lot more stable, a lot more robust, and you know, we pretty much reinvented the website. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. For now, what we'll do is tomorrow we'll be back, same time. Bear with us. Again, there's a lot of stuff that goes on here. Tomorrow we'll hopefully have a whole bunch more interviews. Today, the person from American Idol didn't come. Again, we can't say the person's name at this point, but they will be here tomorrow. Today we had a lot of NFL stars come through, a lot of other celebrities. Again,